Feeling lost in the sea of job postings? Don't worry, you are not alone. Gote appropriate job khojiba nijo pai is a difficult task. But don't worry, we will help you out on this with our almost 12 years of recruitment experience. Hey everyone, I am Subrat Kumar and you're watching The True HR. We will empower you. Job openings, career advice, skill based information ପାଇଁ ଆମ channel को subscribe କରନ୍ତୁ so that you will always be in the top in your career. This is our career development and guidance wing and ଆଜି ଆମେ discuss କରିବା how to search for your perfect job. Step 1. Know yourself. Take personality test and assessments to understand your strengths, weaknesses and interests. एटा आपन को हेल्प करिवो आपनकर ऑप्शंस को नैरो डाउन करिवा पई. Step 2. Do your research, explore different industries and companies. Look into their cultures, values and projects to see if they align with your goals. Then step 3. Using various job portals and especially LinkedIn, एटा आपन को mostly help करिवो and एटा free भी अछि for your initially you can go through. Talk to friends, family and professionals in your desired field. Their insights can be valuable. You can go through her website also, thetruehr.com, and avail our 12 years of experience in this domain. Then next is step 4. Tailor your resume and cover letter. Highlight your skills and experiences that are relevant to the job you are applying for. Kuhanti your CV or resume is like a face of your profile. जेतेबेले आपण first job ପାଇଁ apply करंती, then recruiter आपण को profiles means your resume को देखी आपण को fast screening करे. So make sure you have prepared a good resume. Then step 5. Practice makes perfect. Prepare for interviews by practicing common questions and researching the company. And finally, don't give up. Job hunting can be a roller coaster, but with persistence and right strategies, we will land your dream job. We can also help you out for this. You can contact us directly. For more information, you can visit our website, thetruehr.com. Also, click on the link in our description so that आपन को idea है जिवो how you can apply for a job with us. Our free job portal will help you on this. There are no charges at all for our job portal services for our job seekers. Remember, finding the perfect job is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the process and trust your hard work will pay off. So एटा थिला आज tips and tricks so that आपन को help होबो. For more videos like this, please subscribe करंतु आम channel को. and किछि question अछि, don't worry, career related किछि भी question अछि, you can comment here. Wish you all the best for your successful career.